Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the world of free web hosting to compare two popular options, InfinityFree and ProFreeHost. Which one is right for you? Let's find out. First up, let's look at InfinityFree. This hosting provider is well known for its easy setup and generous offering. With InfinityFree, you get unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, and free SSL certificates. That's a great deal for anyone starting a website or small project. Now, let's compare this with ProFreeHost. ProFreeHost also provides a free web hosting service with unlimited storage and bandwidth. But what makes it unique? ProFreeHost comes with a built-in website builder, making it perfect for those who want a simple drag and drop setup. Both services offer free hosting, but there are some key differences. Infinity Free doesn't put ads on your website, which is a big plus if you want a clean look. However, their support can sometimes be slow and their server uptime can vary. On the other hand, ProFreeHost provides great beginner tools and support, and they also don't display ads on your site. But keep in mind, the performance and server speed might not be as high as paid plans. So, which should you choose? If you're looking for a more reliable platform with a bigger community and solid uptime, Infinity Free might be your best bet. But if you need an easy to use builder and more beginner friendly options, ProFreeHost could be perfect for you. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.